In today's video, I'm trying to teach you how to collapse your Trello board lists. If your board is feeling crowded or you just want to focus on a few stages of your workflow, collapsing lists is a fast, safe way to clear visual clutter without deleting or archiving anything. Think of it as tucking the list away so you can see more of what matters right now. Here's how it works. Look at any list on your board and focus on the list header, the bar that shows the list's title. On the right or near the title, you'll see a small collapsed list icon, often a chevron or caret-style arrow. On some screens, it appears when you hover your mouse over the header, so move your cursor there if you don't see it immediately. When you're ready, click the collapsed list icon. That's it. The list instantly shrinks into a compact header, hiding the cards and giving you more room to scan the rest of your board. Collapsing a list is purely visual. Your cards, due dates, checklists, and automations keep working in the background, and nothing changes about your data or the order of your lists. You can collapse several lists in a row to create a focused view. Many people collapse backlog or done so they can concentrate on the few active stages of work. If you want to bring a list back, click the same collapsed list icon on the collapsed header. It expands to its full height with all cards exactly where you left them. You can repeat this as often as you like throughout the day to match the flow of your work. A few tips can make this even smoother. If the icon isn't visible, try hovering over the list header, set your browser zoom to 100%, or widen the window so the header has enough room to show its controls. Make sure you're viewing the board in a standard web browser or the desktop app, since browser extensions or unusual themes can occasionally hide small UI elements. Also note that the three-dot list menu is for list actions like moving or sorting. Collapsing is handled by the dedicated collapse list icon on the header itself. Collapsing lists is a small click with a big payoff. You'll scan your board faster, reduce scrollings, and keep attention on the work in progress. Give it a try on the lists that are least active and expand them only when you need to dive in. That single click on the collapse list icon helps you keep Trello clean, focused, and easy to navigate.